Hi, Gary here from Woody Wood, and the next in the series of my product reviews from Ryobi is the RE, my eyes are so bad, the RE1200 Ryobi Plunge Router. As you can see around, it's just been working pretty hard to flatten this board, and I must say it works like an absolute charm. Robust, powerful, 5-speed, needs a good clean, I can see that. Correction, 7-speed, deals with the job at hand, very simply, adjustable, fairly precise, and does a wonderful job. Yes, I do need to get a dust collection system, but if you look at the results from it, the board, and I'll show you in a moment, is perfectly flat. Well, I wouldn't say perfectly flat, but certainly flat. For the heavy routing work, this certainly works exceptionally well. So let's just take the router off there. Definitely recommended buy. Let's see if it flattened the board to the level, and we know how we do this. We see if it rocks. No rock. Okay, that's dirt underneath. May not lie. Let's check here. Works exceptionally well. Certainly a recommended addition. Very reliable, very easy to clean and service, which one that does need to do. And as you can see over here, I've got one installed upside down in the homemade router table, and again, perfect for what I need to do, perfect for the home enthusiast, and I would certainly recommend this tool for flattening of slabs if you don't have a jointer planer or a thicknesser. A little bit more work, but it certainly gets the job done. Thought I'd keep it short and simple tonight. My recommendation is absolutely yes, and if you like this product, get yourself one. Certainly do the job. Trust that you enjoyed this very short video. If you do, please press like, press the subscribe button, and press the notification for new releases. The next on the list will be the mouse sander by Ryobi. In the meantime, keep well.